What's going on, guys? Damon here. So today we're gonna bring y'all. We're gonna be changing the brake pads and maybe the rotors on the truck. It's been making a weird, like type sound, whenever your brakes are effed up. So I'm about to get up to the driveway over here and take the front wheels off first and check those out, because usually the back ones they don't go out as often as the front ones would. And recently I have been hauling some trailers with quite a bit of weight, so maybe that could have been the reason why I went through these brake pads that fast. But yeah, we'll definitely be checking it out and see what's up with her. By the way, this is for another video, but I'm just gonna throw it in. Yeah, there was like a little accident right there, so I need to get this fender repaired, new light. And this happened on a different occasion. This one day it was storming and it was pretty flooded, and I was coming home and I don't know how the hell that fell off, and then I dragged all the way home. So that's a bummer. Maybe I can sand that and have that repainted, because that little part right there, I think like 200, 300 bucks, and I'm really not trying to spend that much. It's not like it's broken or messed up. I mean, it just fell and it got all scraped up. But yeah, so let's go ahead and pull her in and get everything checked out and see if the rear or the front needs brake pads. Alright, so let's go ahead and get some stuff. We're gonna need some jack stands and a jack. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna be using for the jack, because that truck's pretty heavy, so this will barely do the job. This big 2-ton. For jack stands, I think those will do right there. Let's see. I think I might have to go get new tools today, because I got rid of a lot of tools that I just didn't want to need no more. So okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out there. Put up pinche Iron Man. That thing is heavy as fuck. I don't even know how fucking carrying it that easy. It's putting quite a bit of strain on you. But wait, look at how clear this pool is, mixed with green. Kind of odd, huh? Never seen a super clear pool with green in it. Definitely gonna need more tools than this. I got a whole box of old tools back there, so I'm gonna have to go dig those out and see what I can find that's useful. Right off the bat, I need some Allen wrenches, and I don't have any of them. Or if I do, there's nowhere for them to be found. So I may have to run a Harbor Freight here in a second, or maybe Walmart, and get a couple of tools. I'm not trying to keep these tools forever, so I know that they're maybe a one-time use. Well, maybe not Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight actually has pretty decent tools. So yeah, with that being said, if I can't find anything, we'll probably run to a store and get some. Yeah, we have to run to Harbor Freight, get some quick WD-40 and some Allen wrenches. Alright, so we need some Allen wrenches right off the bat. We're trying to expand crazy, so I'm guessing these are better, because these tend to break. You know what I mean? But then again, alright. And if you figure out which ones I'm gonna get, then I'll get back to you. Alright, so we picked up some super duper cheap Allen wrenches and WD-40. You need WD-40. I don't think I need it that bad, because the truck is not that old, but still, WD-40 helps a lot. So that's the cheapest thing I'm gonna get for right now. I just have to go back home and dig through that big ass toolbox I told you that has all kinds of tools, old tools, new tools. I just threw everything in there. I need to go back, dig through that, and get whatever sizes I can find need to get those out of there, and if anything that I'm missing, then I'll go back and I'll for sure get that. But for now, my main priorities, I need to get the wheel, the little cap off the wheel so I can take off the wheel itself, and then I can take a look at the front wheels or the front end of the truck and see if it needs some brakes or motors or whatever. So that's the main thing. I need to figure out which, if it's the rear or the front that needs the brakes, the brake pads.
Yeah, but we're about to fight with those are good. Ay, güey. Let's be checado. We look like hamsters sharing food. One at a time. Please. I'm choking already, being the floor. ¿Dónde está?
Por la esta. La esa, esta.
¿Cuál es lo que tiene muy baja?
Sí, pues esta está baja. No creas que veas esa también que falta licencia a los muebles.
Sí, ¿verdad?
Esa es la que hay.
Está más anchota esta pinche troca porque las manos las agarra más lejos de la llanta que el Yukon.
Esta llanta, esta troca son de esas, como te digo, no me lo creen que yo soy esto, soy el otro. Esta es como la troca aquella que vendí, es más ancha.
Ahí vienes, me voy a mandar que la nivelen así, con la de atrás. Que quede así de alta enfrente nomás.
¿Métele qué? ¿Métele qué?
Nomás un martiguador más alto. Para que quede así, nivelado.
Sí,
No, porque está así,
Sí, está más alta, eso menos son 2 pulgadas.
son 2 pulgadas.
Y le voy a quitar estas pinches llantas porque están muy pesadas.
You look alright, but tan heavy, you said?
Yeah.
So now we're just gonna take the tire out.
Las de mi carro están más livianitas.
¿Cuáles?
Las del carro rojo. ¿Sí?
Pues aquí son de terreno, son de soquete. Esas están bien pinchos pesadas.
¿Cuántas lonas son?
10.
Puta madre.
Las de la Yukon son 6.
Fíjate. Y esas.
Viene cuando te.
Oye,
¿Te pago?
Y si las.
These tires are fucking heavy. These tires are flipping heavy, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. Ever since I put these tires on, it's definitely made my truck a little bit slower. Actually, a lot slower. Try to pick it up, Benny. Tell me if it's heavy or light.
Just don't break your toe. Quarters.
It's heavy.
Is it heavy? A little bit?
Yes.
Every time I do this, guys, like every time I'm working on this and I take off the wheel, I know there's a jack there and there's gonna be a jack stand, but just still for extra safety measures, I slide this right under here like this.
So imagine if that thing will break.
Oh yeah, I think front brakes are definitely out. Well, yeah. Motherfucker.
Not bad though. Look.
This is the one. Get a flat head real quick.
No dejes se quita, mira.
Damn.
It has one.
Holy
Wait, what?
shit. No wonder.
What happened to that thing? That one's gone.
Get it, Puncher.
What is?
So I just don't understand because I bought these like it's probably honestly all the towing, so that was definitely my fault on my end. So I can see it literally there's like no one side had about an eighth, maybe a quarter left, but this pad on this side, so I can see it went into the freaking caliper. So the caliper's done, honestly. Yeah, the caliper, I don't know. No, the caliper's done on it.
The thing is broke.
It's fucked up. Yeah, this. So I'm gonna have to take off the. No, not the caliper. Why do I keep saying the caliper? I mean the brake rotor. It's messed up. So I have to take this off. So we have to take right now the caliper off, take off the rotor, and go see if we can get it. Huh?
Is it a hazard?
It's pretty simple. It's just take off the caliper and then there should be like a little screw that screws into the rotor itself and it pushes it out. So we have to get to that. Alright guys, so it's day number 2. As y'all can see, these are finally out. One of them actually wasn't even that stripped at all, as y'all can see. But I didn't want to risk on trying to strip this one because I see the first one, it got rounded off pretty good. So I used the right, it's called the right socket, which was a 19 mil. Yeah, I used a 19-inch socket with a half-an inch, what's it called, wrench. But I was using a 19-inch, which was the right size for this, but it wasn't budging at all. And I even used this pipe wrench. So I can see it's more than enough leverage, but it still wouldn't budge, and it ended up just running it off. So they ran it pretty good. Pro tip: if y'all ever taking off the calipers and y'all don't have enough room for like what's it called, any leverage, go ahead and make sure you got the jack secured right. Make sure you put a jack stand, put your wheel under there, and slowly turn the wheel that way. Well, depending on which wheel you're doing. On this side, since it's the passenger, I turned it that way and it gave me access, as y'all can see, to all the leverage room that I need. So, that being said, the way I took off these bolts right here was I went to AutoZone and I picked up this bolt extractor. So you can see, you put it on here and you hit it in with the hammer. Unfortunately, I don't know why they made this to fit a 3/8, which me personally, I wish they would have done this a half. I honestly even had doubt. I thought this may break, but it actually ended up not breaking, thankfully. So this you can pick up at AutoZone. The kit's like about $30. That's how I got these bolts off. As you can see, This one is pretty. Which one's this one's rounded off, as y'all can see. So it did the job. Probably have to go buy new bolts, that's for sure. So yeah, now we're probably gonna finish up taking the disc or the rotor off, which I should have took off the spacers first because then I have access to it. Like there's like a little.
So he's gonna buy those long things. No believe stop playing with that stuff. This thing is fucking Wolverine.
I wonder if this is
No, vas a tener que pinche pico.
cabra?
Will it?
I don't know.
Sí, no sé.
We're trying to find a screwdriver or a flathead so he can stick it on the rotor to loosen up the freaking spacers. I don't want to go through the trouble of putting it back together.
Hamster back there.
You know what I just realized? I forgot to pick up the nuts.
Maybe this one.
Maybe, but look how fucking thin that is.
No, never mind. Probably the thick one.
What one? Oh. Probably this one. Yeah, this is like what I'm looking for.
Which one? Look, guys, he said that one used to be a club right there. ¿Qué puedo grabar? This is long. Guys, he got these. Look, show them.
To get these because the other one's stripped. I don't know why you gave me two. Oh yeah. Because it's two for each wheel.
This is the place we went at.
That's where I get all my parts from. Yeah, these are.
So this is the place. It's really hot outside. So now he's gonna remove those, right?
Yep. Damn, I don't know if it's gonna break though or not.
No. That's good.
Yeah.
So okay guys, the good thing the flathead didn't broke.
Talking a bunch of stuff.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we already went ahead and took off the brake, the spacer that I had. So now we're going to remove the caliper. You're going to take off that star bit right here. Which, let me see if I can find the right size. I actually don't know if I'm going to have the right size here, but
Chicken that one.
yeah, let's check that out.
Probably that one.
You don't have your impact wrench one?
Yeah, you do good.
So we'll be back in a minute.
We already picked up the. Here's what I picked up. Picked these up at Napa. That's where I mostly like to get all my stuff from. I don't like AutoZone. Nothing against them, but I just, I don't like AutoZone. O'Reilly's, not really, not really a big fan of them. But I do like Napa. And I picked up 2 front rotors and these were supposedly the best top of the line brake pads they had at Napa today. So supposedly, you know, they're silent. I don't know if I had these before or not, but it's definitely better than what I had, as y'all seen. And let me take a look at the rotors. Supposedly they're premium rotors. Supposed to meet OEM standards or OEM specs. You know what? Maybe I shouldn't break the box so ugly in case they aren't the right ones. So we'll use a cheap. Yeah, they seem like these are it. I think he had mentioned to me that these are painted so that, you know, they don't rust up right here and have that ugly look. And actually, these are painted. Nice. I hope these are the right ones, right? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6.
Yeah.
Okay. Good deal. Damn. Alright, so let's get to it over here. Okay, charge. Yeah. Yes, sir. I'm sorry. So, is there another one?
There's no.
Oh,
21. You hit it with the hammer or something?
yeah, I don't need this rotor no more, so. There it is. Yeah. So, oh my goodness. Check this out, guys. Look at like how much it engraved into it. There's like an 1/8 over the lip. Wow. Definitely keep up with your shit, guys. I've been working rock, so wooden trailers. Whew.
It's even cracked, right?
Alright, so now we're gonna match it up and see if this works. Put it up and stuff. Alright, guys. Seems to be an exact fitment. And they look way better. So let's go ahead and that looks fucking
Nice.
oh, amazing.
¿Tienes una clamp?
See clamp? Them that has them all, and I just realized that too.
I have to go get one because
Can I just one of those?
Alright, we'll figure out something here in a second, but I'm just happy that we have the new rotors installed.
once you put the rotor in there, the brakes are much easier.
Yeah. Like I mentioned to y'all guys earlier, y'all seen that I had a problem with the stripped, the bolts. I just got some new bolts, but as y'all seen, the method that I used were these. These things are helpful. You can get them at any auto parts, and these will take your bolts off. Depends on your boat as well. The truck, like I said, is not that old. It's still pretty new, so maybe on some old rusty trucks it won't do the job, but it doesn't hurt to give it a try. So now what do we need to do?
Put that one.
Get the new bolts.
Oh,
Alright guys, so we have the new bolts right here. Let me go ahead and try and see. Oh no.
You compare the new ones to the old ones.
I think, look at the old strip ones. I'm definitely gonna make sure I don't tighten the hell out of these. Let me make sure these are the right ones. Yeah, they are. Perfect fit.
no aguantaba el folio adentro.
No,
No, no, así.
because it has Loctite.
Oh.
Let me go ahead and take off this old. Make sure you don't tighten that down too much. And then we have a little bit of play. Remember, safety first, guys. Don't get under the car without extra safety. Don't rely yourself on just the jack. I need to put jack stand down there, and I guess you see there is a tire under there as well. So, and make sure you use the proper jack. I'm using a 2-ton, which that barely meets the specs of this truck. Many people will put their faith in those little jack stands or the jacks that cars originally come with, but hell no. Pili, pónselo abajo, por favor. ¿Dónde estaba? ¿Sí te acuerdas? Mira, ahí en el frame. Then the cheater bar, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten them up a little bit. No? Oh yeah, this stuff too.
Do you have to be like really tight?
Nah, but I mean, make sure you definitely put force because these are, you know, calibers.
Imagine that thing falls.
Good.
Okay.
That's tight enough.
Now, next is gonna be, yeah, but I'm gonna have to go by.
Las brecas primero.
Well, I need to tighten this up to put the brakes in.
Oh.
So I need to go get a C-clamp real quick, guys. Yeah.
¿Tienes el informador?
Un pinche hammer.
Solo de arriba con el martillo.
¿O para que lo suba para arriba? No.
Oh, están adentro, Juan. En adentro de la troca aquí.
The truck.
This one in the middle, aquí enfrente.
That was a hassle.
Huh?
You kind of like maneuver it. It wasn't a hassle. It was just kind of got to maneuver it. Give me the other one. I don't think I need to bleed the brakes today, or in general. Well, because I never
Drop liquid.
Yeah, I never opened the lines. Give me the lado. Págale, güey. Vinny,
Yeah.
go press the brakes.
So back when we record you.
Yeah, but anyways, with that being said, like I said, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Brought you along, you know, so I can see my rotors were pretty messed up. They're in super bad condition, worst condition they could ever be, any rotor. Brake pads, they're in place, so we're all good on that. And I do need to make a separate video on this. I want to fix this. And again, new headlight, new fender. This, like I said, I'll probably just take this off, sand it down, maybe take it to a body shop and see if they'll repaint it. If not, if they don't want to repaint it, I'll probably just order a spray paint can that is this kind of color. I think they run for like $50 for just a spray can. And I'll sand it down, primer it, and spray it up, and then clear coat it. It's not gonna match, it's not gonna be color match, but you know, as long as it doesn't look like that. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos, guys. I think that's pretty much it for today. If y'all found this video any helpful, like I said, there was a little tip in this video on how I showed you how to take off stripped bolts. If y'all ever come across calibers or y'all strip y'all's caliber bracket bolts, easy procedure. Well, like I said, it might work for some, it might not work for others, but for me, it worked. So I was pretty fortunate about that. But if y'all found this video helpful, sure leave it a like. If you have any questions, comment down below. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.